How are you doing? My name is Althea, and I'm just here with something exciting. Okay, this is a situation. I have a question. Have you ever been in a conversation with a Jamaican and you feel so awkward because you don't get what they're saying? Or are you ever around Jamaicans and you want to know what they're saying, but you're not able to because guess what? You don't understand what they are saying, right? But guess what? Medea for help you understand each and everything. So guess what? You see when me done with uno Creole language, I go shot. Remember me tell you that? So just comment and like and subscribe and ask me any question you want in a Jamaican. Or if you don't want, ask me something and tell me if you want to hear it in a Jamaican, you would and if you are going to say it to a Jamaican, you would say it. If you want to know what genre them, remember, Medea, right? No afraid for shut in the comment section and say, hey, I hear my Jamaican friend say this. I want to know what she talk about. I want to know what she's talking about. Okay?